Guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. If you hear some air very loud in your ears, it's roasting in here. So I'm not going to sit here and suffer while making this video, so I do apologize if it's hard to hear me sometimes. But a lovely follower on my Instagram account asked me to make a video of how I make my stickers, and I'm like, it's so cute. So the first step of how I go about making my stickers, I have to think about the design first. So I'm actually one of the type of people that do not like to go with my first ideas first because I end up not liking them. So I think for this sticker I sat for like 3 to 4 days, decided to do my character Lola, who is my character Zyke's girlfriend. And since September gives you fall vibes and all of that good stuff, I decided to make her hold a cup of coffee or tea, whatever you guys want to make it look like. She's holding a drink that kind of represents the fall mood. And yeah, so once I got that idea down, I actually picked up this sketchbook. It's a random sketchbook. I don't use the best of paper to do my stickers. I just pick up what's around me and sketch out the design. So I'm going to show you guys how the original design turned out because I did change it. So here is actually, I'm sorry for the lighting, but here's actually the design in which I came up with. So again, it's my character Lola. She's holding a cup of coffee, tea, whatever, and I have her surrounded with fall leaves because sometimes it's hard to draw a sticker and then automatically be like it's fall without you having a significant indication of fall. I sketch it out with a pencil and I ink it with a random pen. It could be a gel pen, it could be whatever. I just grab a pen that's dark enough for me to get the lines and I ink this, and I actually scanned this drawing with my scanner to my computer to get the final rendition of what the line art looks like. So let me get my computer to stop making these lines. But as you can see, I actually had to scan this picture 4 times because my scanner was acting like not a nice person. So this is how the scanned image ends up looking like. So as you can see, all of the lines I put on her are very nice and dark, and it's normal when you scan an image, it gets a little bit more detail in which you don't want it to grab, hence why you see a lot of my pencil lines and all of that stuff, because it grabs everything. So I personally do not like sketching or lining digitally. I hate it. That's a known fact. I do not like it. It's very uncomfortable for me, and I don't want to make art that's uncomfortable. I just don't want to do that. So I do everything traditionally. I scan it and I do the rest digitally. Coloring digitally is not hard for me. It doesn't stress me out because I learned to make 2 different styles, traditional and digital. My digital styles is a lot more flat shaded and all that stuff, easy peasy lemon squeezy, whereas my traditional work, it takes a bit of time. But just to kind of keep my comfort level at 100, I just do everything traditionally. New design actually ended up looking like da-da-da-da. If I can get it to show. Sorry, guys. So as you can see, here's the sticker. So the top half is the same, exactly the same, but I made her wear tights instead of jeans because I felt like tights kind of fits the weather. Not the weather, but it fits fall. Like you just wear comfort sweater chic, and a lot of people wear tights in the fall instead of jeans, because jeans are just too much, guys. I don't get it. Everything good to go. I use the digital painting program Medibang Paint Pro. Everything I do is in this program, so if you guys want to know what program I use to do all of my digital art, is Medibang Paint Pro. So once I fix all of the edits and all that stuff, I pretty much save it as a line art, because on my Patreon I do line art in the sticker of the month, so I have to save it before I fully render it. And then once I fully save everything, then I can go to town with all of the coloring. After I get all the coloring set in stone, the final result of Lola ended up looking like this. Guys, can we not say how cute she is? Guys, so I actually really wanted to keep the fall aesthetic, which you can see her having fall aesthetic. And I really do not like doing holiday based stickers, but I wanted to kind of give it a spooky vibe. So I put spider webs behind her and stars and all that stuff just to kind of make it cute. But guys, look at Lola. She is so cute. With all that said and done, I actually save it as a file. I save it as the character sticker finished. So I know this is the file in which I need to get the sticker made. So the site that I use for my stickers is Sticker Mule. I use Sticker Mule all the time because their stickers are legit, guys. I really love Sticker Mule. So let's go to Sticker Mule and see what I can do with Lola. So here is Sticker Mule's homepage, as you can see. But yeah, their stuff is pretty basic, but it's effective. So on the website, you can see custom stickers, labels, packaging, all that stuff. But stickers is what I care about. So you click on stickers, and they actually have a lot of different options. But I normally go with their die cut stickers. Though I did make if I go back up, I did make a glitter sticker not too long ago, and sometimes I will do rectangle stickers and square stickers. These are really cheap than die cut, but yeah, I just have a lot of options in which I could do. Sticker Mule is really good at, you can actually select the size in which you want your sticker to be. For my Patreon stickers, I choose 4" by 4, so that's the thing. So you would just choose the size you want as my computer freezes, which is not good. Okay, so 4" by 4, and do not let this freak you out. So these are the different quantities that you can choose, but you want to click custom quantity. Bam, and you have to order it in sets of 10. So a set of 10 stickers of Lola will cost $24. Given the tax is $26. Once you upload the image and everything else, this will pop up. So it'll show your sticker design, what type of sticker it is, the quantity, and the total. And I think you can hover over it so you can see again your image to make sure it's the right image. So then after everything is all said and done, you click check out. So as you can probably guess, that is the section in which I fill out all of my address information, my card information, all of that good stuff. So I cannot show you the rest of that process, but I can tell you that after you enter all of that info, it'll say thanks for placing your order, and they say you will receive a proof of your sticker in like 4 hours. Normally it's like 15 minutes, and a proof is pretty much the image of what your sticker will look like before they make it. Once everything's good for you, you just hit approve, and then your stickers are good to go. Since I really don't have Lola here to physically show you what she looks like, check my vlog out for this month and you'll see what she looks like. I'm just going to give you an example of a sticker that I did last month and show you what the physical version looks like. So my last month's Patreon sticker is actually of my cross-dressing boy, Natsume. So this is the line art. Of course, I digitally rendered it and everything. So his physical version ended up looking like this. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it so good, but this is how the stickers ended up looking like. That's pretty much the end of this video. Again, my sticker making process, it's very simple. It's not something that you need like 50 years to master. I like to go for things in a very simple way, in which makes me feel good. Alrighty, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video helped you guys all with your sticker making. Like I said, my process is very simple. It's nothing too, extreme to follow, but making stickers all depends on you and what you're looking for. I personally like matte stickers. I don't do glossy or anything, so I don't really have the tips and the tricks for glossy type of stickers, but for matte, this is legit my process. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.